welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. This is the eyeshadow palette I got from AliExpress. I believe this one was, I went for the cheapest one, so I think it was $2 or it was $5. The shipping took about 3 weeks, but I mean, it was cheap, so, you know, whatever. It is Perfect Eyeshadow by Beauty Glazed. As you can see, I have been trying out this palette already. I am going to go ahead and swatch these colors from you. I'm going to go do this top row first. Okay, so here we have the top row. This is one swipe each. Khaki, Chrome, Peach, Rosy, I think that says Maroon, and Brick. And like I said, I only took one swatch of these, and that's the color Payoff. So very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second row. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see those colors. I have, what is that? Bisque, Blink, Scarlet, Dubai, Gold, and Passion. These foil shades, these foil shades are so pigmented. Look at that. That was gold that I just did. So pigmented. Now I'm gonna do this bottom row. That's concealer, Camel kind of blends in with me. Then I have Cocoa, Clay, this is so pretty, Umber, and Raw. So that is the bottom. Concealer, Clay, Cocoa. Concealer, Camel, Cocoa, Clay, Umber, and Raw. As you can see, this is very pigmented. I'm a brown skin girl, so the colors pop even on my skin tone. So I mean, you wait 3 weeks, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use Chrome, Cocoa, and Clay. Look at that. All I did was dip my little brush in there. That's bomb. I'm gonna just take a denser, tighter brush, and I'm gonna grab Cocoa. Sweep that over my whole lid. Next, I'm going to take Camel, put some of that on my lid. All right, now I'm just going to do some blendage. Now I'm gonna take Chrome, that pretty shade. So this is the finished look. I just put some lashes on, some mascara, a little bit of white liner at the bottom, and some mascara at the bottom. But that is it for this look. I have used this eyeshadow palette in another look. I will put it, I don't really know how to do the card thing. So, or the card thing. What side does it come on? I don't know. But I don't know how to do that. So I'll put it in the description at the bottom, so you can see another color that I used in this palette. I believe I went for like one of those shades. But as you can see, the palette is well loved, so they definitely did their thing with this. It's only a few colors that I'll probably won't use, and that's probably just the concealer, or maybe I could use that to cut my crease. I'll try that one day. And I could probably find something to do with the khaki and the peach as well, but everything else is pretty usable. So, and you get 6, 12, 18 shades. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 rows. You get 18 shades for $2 to $5. I mean, come on, 3 weeks is worth the wait. So I definitely recommend purchasing this palette. Very pretty. And the palette is brown girl friendly. As you can see, I'm a brown girl. Did you not know? Duh. Yeah. So the palette is very brown girl friendly. You know, it's a struggle out there for us brown girls, dark skinned girls trying to get in on this eyeshadow pigment palette, a palette where we could use everything, make everything work without having to force it, and most of the colors just sitting there. So, I mean, if you could wait a couple weeks, it's worth the wait, I say. So I'll put the link in the description. Thank you so much. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. And I will see you very soon. Bye.